Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send a PayPal link for payment. First, understand that sending a payment link is a super convenient way to get paid. It removes the need for the payer to search for your details. We'll cover two primary methods, using a personalized PayPal, MeLink, which is great for recurring payments or public sharing, and the direct request money feature within your PayPal account for more specific, one-off requests. Let's dive in. One fantastic way to receive payments is through PayPal, Me. It's your own personalized link like PayPal, me/yourname. To get started, simply visit the PayPal, Me website, log in, and claim your unique link. Once set up, you can share it anywhere. For specific amounts, just add a / and the amount to the end of your link, like /$100, making it incredibly flexible for various payment needs. Alternatively, you can use PayPal's direct request money feature. Log into your PayPal account and look for the Send and Request tab. From there, select Request. You'll then enter the email address or phone number of the person you're requesting money from, specify the exact amount, and you can even add a detailed note about what the payment is for. This method is ideal for one-off, specific transactions. Once you have your PayPal payment link, sharing it is simple. You can paste your PayPal, Me link into an email, a text message, or even share it on social media. For direct requests, PayPal sends an email notification to the payer. Always double-check your PayPal activity to confirm the payment has been received. Remember to only share your links with people you trust to ensure your transactions remain secure and hassle-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.